Hello, dear friends. My name is Olga Paukshte, and I'm the creator of the Global Fashion Workshop channel. We're glad to see you all here. Not so long ago on our English channel, we organized space for those who want to acquire unique knowledge in sewing and learn to make one-of-a-kind clothes, our very own English club. Now we want to share this knowledge with you as we did before in the Russian segment of the Fashion Workshop. We've already done a boyfriend blazer, classic trench coat, classic shirt for women, a jacket with a partial lining, blouse with tucks, dress, high waistline skirt, corduroy hat, and many more. Now we've begun sewing a two-sided jacket for corduroy and fur. We have many useful videos by Olga Paukshte, including lectures and Q&As. For example, how to make a side panel and how to fit the waistline, as well as lessons from the Fashion Workshop channel divided according to their themes. We have collections on how to work with flax fabric and all kinds of pants. For the first time, we plan to go live so that we can talk to you and learn what you would like to see on our channel and the English segment of the Fashion Workshop Club. We're very interested in your opinions and suggestions. We will also share our plans regarding further releases. Subscribe to our channel and join our Fashion Workshop Club. We invite you to join us for our first ever live on the 25th of October at 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We're looking forward to seeing your suggestions in the comments here. Bye-bye.